Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to learn how to easily use Tamil fonts in your Canva designs? Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size from the menu to set your desired dimensions. Set the image dimensions to 300 pixels by 300 pixels. Next, click to add text. Type your desired content into the text box. Adjust the font style and size as needed for clarity and emphasis. Next, add the subheading by clicking beneath the main title, then typing your desired text into the new subheading field. Paste the built-in font into FanFont. Once you've added your font, you can customize it by changing its color. Look for the color picker or font color option in the toolbar, click on it, and select the new color you want for your text. Select the item you want to remove, then delete it. Next, reduce the font size by selecting the text and adjusting the font settings. To use a Tamil font in Canva, first add a text box to your design. Click on the text box and begin typing your content. Next, adjust the font size as needed for your layout. After that, open the font drop-down menu and scroll to find a Tamil font you like. Select the Tamil font and then set the font size to 69 for your design. Here's how to add a Tamil font in Canva. Open your project, then click the text button on the sidebar. Select Add a Heading or another text option. In the top toolbar, click the Font drop-down menu. Search for Baloo Thambi to find the Tamil font. Click to apply it, then type your Tamil text. Click the Share button, then select Download. In the download settings, increase the image size to your preference. Choose PNG as the file format. Finally, click the Save button to download your text image as a high-quality PNG file. Now you know how to add Tamil font in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.